to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 best gig that you can offer on Fiverr. And the last one is going to be a bonus. And you must stay to the end of this video to see the last one that I'm going to show you that are not too common. So if this is what you want, then stay to the end of this video while I walk you through 5 best gig that you can offer on Fiverr that can make you at least $50 to $200 if this is what you want. So let's dive in. And if this is your first time visiting Online Hustle YouTube channel, you are welcome to our channel. And this channel will make content around affiliate marketing, blogging, and everything other thing that has to do with online hustle. So if this is what you want, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification bell to all. So in this video, I'll be showing you 5 best gig or offer that you can offer right here on Fiverr. And these gigs can be related to your skill. It can be related to what you know how to do. It can be related to what your friend knows how to do, because you can need your friend's services and you come down to Fiverr to offer those services. And when you get a client who are interested in that services, you reach out to your friend and you are bargain or you deal with your friend to offer that service. And when such services is done or rendered to the client on Fiverr, then you can go ahead and share the income or the commission that comes in, either 50-50 depending on your agreement. So in this video, I'll be showing you first 5 best gigs that you can offer on Fiverr to the best of my knowledge and due to my area of skill or due to my area of expertise. So I'm going to share with you most demanding gigs on Fiverr right now. You know that we're in the era of AI, and you need to be very smart on things that you offer on Fiverr so that AI will not take over your skill. And if you look at Fiverr right now, you can see a lot of people offering services. We do SEO backlink, do follow, high authority, off-page links. You see where the person said is going to do for $95. You look at this one, it says it's going to do this one for $100. I will SEO backlink, IDA authority link building services for $100. You see, these people are services they are offering on Fiverr, and you may be surprised that many of them are not directly offering these services. They look for someone who offer these services, they add them, they pay them, and they offer these services, and they come to Fiverr, they list it, and when someone place an order, they make money from it. And this is what you can also do right here from the comfort of your home. You also see this one. It said, I will do website SEO ad edit for $100. He give you the report, and this thing anybody can do it. You see, the reason why I am showing you all this to tell you that these are high demand skills on Fiverr that are not common. And I must tell you that these skills, AI are not taking them. Are you getting what I'm saying? AI are not taking them. You see that I will automate website on page, technical SEO service. AI cannot do this service. And you look at this person is charging this gig. He plays this gig at $250 on Fiverr. These are things AI will not take over. AI will not take over all of this stuff, because these things are things that need technical service. They need technical service, not something AI can do. You can see this one again. I will do SEO backlink, IDA authority, do follow link building, Google ranking. Look at it, $100 as well. Look at the cheap one, $45. Look at this one, $30. And if you are right here in Nigeria, you someone or a client on Fiverr pay you this amount, or 2 clients or 3 clients pay you this amount on Fiverr, and you convert it to Naira, you know how much it is. So this is why you need to offer services that are high demand on Fiverr, because that one is going to put you on a bigger edge, because when you get 2 clients or 3 clients in a month, you are good to go. So that being said, one of the best services that you can offer on Fiverr is SEO blog writing. SEO blog writing. Let's search for it. SEO blog writing. SEO blog writing, and see, look at it. SEO blog writing. This is one of the services that you can basically offer on Fiverr, and this service can be in writing SEO optimized blog posts for clients that ranks on Google, and you can even put your price just as a beginner or maybe as an expert. You can put your price at the range of $30 to $200. These are services that are high demand on Fiverr, and AI is not taking over all these services. AI is going to write article for people, but AI is not going to sound like human. Are you getting me? People need content that are written by human experience. You use your human experience to write your content. You use your human knowledge to write your content. You include story into it. Some of these things AI cannot do it. AI does not have experience, but you as a person, you have an experience, and you can offer this service on Fiverr and you get paid for it. You see people offering it. Look at this one. Look at these people earning a lot from this particular service. I will write 30 SEO blog posts monthly with complete on page. Look at $130. And look at this person. He said, I will do SEO article writing, content writing, and blog writing, $10. You see, you can even start less if you are just getting into Fiverr. You can start less, you charge less, so that after you have built your profile, then you can go ahead to charge high on Fiverr. You see that SEO writing is one of the profitable or one of the high demand skill of Fiverr. You see people, I will do SEO blog writing for your business website, $100, just one article on your blog, $100. Just convert that particular amount to naira and you know what it is. So that is the number one services you can offer on Fiverr that are high demand on Fiverr. Then the number two is keyword research and SEO content strategy. Number two on my list here that I will tell you to offer on Fiverr is keyword research and SEO content strategy. Many people don't even know about keyword research. Now let's search about that keyword research and know if there are people that are actually offering these services on Fiverr right now. You see, look at it, SEO keyword research. Just look at the options Fiverr are bringing for us. Look at the first one, keyword research, SEO keyword research, KDP keyword research, and so on and so forth. Now let's look at the number one, keyword research. Let's look at how much people are offering these services on Fiverr, how much clients are paying them on Fiverr to offer this keyword research for them, for their content. And let me tell you the truth that SEO AI can do all of these things, but AI will not give you the best result because AI does not have any experience. But people who are offering these services and you have an experience, and these services is very profitable on Fiverr. So many people need this gig, and you can offer this gig because it's a high demand gig. Look at the people, the result on it alone is 3,000 people. It's 3,000 that have listed this service. Look at it on Fiverr, and this is what you can offer. So all you just need to do, you find a profitable keyword that are high demand on Google, that will easy to rank. You find those profitable keywords and you create content plan for the blog post, and you do this keyword research, you find a easy to rank keyword and you create a good content plan for it. And if this is service that you can offer on Fiverr, you can charge around $50 to $300, and you can see it on Fiverr. You can see people charging $120 for it. You say, I will do professional SEO keyword research and competitor analysis. You see, these are things you can do. I know you can do it. And you can see this one, I will do detailed SEO keyword research. You can do it, and there are so many keyword tools that you can use. Just go to ChatGPT right now. Tell ChatGPT to do a keyword research for using SEMrush. It will not be able to do it because it does not have any single knowledge. Does not have any single knowledge, but you can do all of these things. And you come to Fiverr to offer these services. You see a lot of people offering these services on Fiverr. You see them $195. You see them $150. Offering just simple things on Fiverr. Then another thing you can offer on Fiverr is YouTube SEO. You can also offer YouTube SEO on Fiverr. People need this service. A lot of people have YouTube channel that are not doing well, and you can come in and offer this service on Fiverr. Now let's look at it, YouTube SEO. Let's look at YouTube SEO and see how much people are charging for these services on Fiverr. Now you can see the option YouTube short, YouTube SEO, video editing, storytelling, YouTube video SEO, and all of that. Now we're looking at the YouTube SEO. Let's look at how much people are charging for YouTube SEO on Fiverr and see that you stand a huge chance of getting this client because these services are high demand on Fiverr. All you just need to do is to automate YouTube video titles, description, tags, and keywords just to increase the view. That is the major YouTube. That is what YouTube SEO is all about. Automate video title, automate the description, the tags, and the keywords, and you are good to go. Now look at people charging $25. You see, look at this one. I will automate YouTube video SEO and channel growth, $15. Look at this one that says $25. I will do best YouTube video SEO expert automation and channel for $25. And you can do this. Look at this one. Look at this one right here. I will successfully automate YouTube content for $350. Just imagine you make this kind of money getting just 2 clients or 3 clients in a month, and you see that you are going to be a big boy. So these are things you can offer on Fiverr. These are high demand scale. So the number 4 one is affiliate marketing. Now let's check on Fiverr if there are people actually offering affiliate marketing services on Fiverr. Let's check and see if there are people actually offering affiliate marketing services on Fiverr and see what they are doing and see how much they are earning from it. So let's look at it. You see the options: affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate link promotion, autoplot, Amazon affiliate, and all of that. Now we are going to the first one, affiliate marketing, and see what people are actually, how much they are making offering affiliate marketing services on Fiverr. And you can do all of this stuff. You can do it. Just come to Fiverr, list what you can do, and you can see the result. 3,000 results. You can see people offering this kind of service. Say, look at this one, look at this first one. I will manually promote your affiliate link with top exposure. How much is it charging for this service? $65. Look at this one. I will set up automated ClickBank affiliate marketing, promote Amazon, $20. And you see, these are things that you can do. Look at this guy. This guy is a Nigerian guy, Friends Opeyemi. I will do ClickBank affiliate marketing, Shopify marketing, or Amazon affiliate, $15. This guy is a Nigerian, and look at the star he has gotten. Look at the star. So these are things you can come down to Fiverr and do. These are high demand skills. These are very high demand skill, and anybody can do all of these things. So the number 51, stay to the end of this video because I told you that the last one is going to be a bonus. Now the 5th one is AI content humanization. AI content humanization. If you look at the content right now on Google right now, you're going to see that majority of the content online right now are written with AI, and so many search engines are plagiarizing this content that are written with AI. So now if you can offer this service, AI content humanization, you see there are a lot of chance for you to get a client because people will write content with AI and they're going to look for people who is going to humanize this content to appear like as if it is human written. Look at it, humanize AI content. Now let's look at how much people are charging for this service on Fiverr. Let's look at how much people are charging for this very service on Fiverr. See, these are things you can do. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this video, to like this video, comment, and if you have not subscribed to Online Hustle YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel. That will encourage us to do more. And you can see the result. Just look at the result. Amazing. Look at the result. 19,000 result on Fiverr. And you can see how much people are charging for it. Just take a look at how much people are charging for. Look at this guy here. I will rewrite your AI generated text, copyright content marketing for $100. Just look at this one again. I will fix, edit, and humanize your ChatGPT or AI generated content or writing for $50. And these are things you can do online and be making money with it for yourself on Fiverr. And anybody can do this. And if you are just getting into Fiverr, you can just start putting your price or your rate at just $5. Just start at $5. Don't be in haste. Just start at $5. Look at people offering these services at $5, and you can see a lot of people that have done services for. You see, this one I've done service. I've offered this service for 132 people. This one 81, and this one. Look at this one. Look at this one 181. So these are things you can do offering these services on Fiverr. So, and you can charge all these prices $20 to $150 as you get to know more about them. As you begin to get stars, people begin to rate you, you can increase your price. So these are cool things you can do. And like I said, that the last one I'm going to share with you is digital marketing. Digital marketing and web development is another cool services you can offer on Fiverr. Is another cool services you can offer on Fiverr. And I must tell you that these skills are not skills that AI is going to take. Now let's look at digital marketing. Let's look at digital marketing on Fiverr and see how much these guys are charging for digital marketing services on Fiverr. Now let's look at digital marketing on Fiverr. Digital marketing on Fiverr. So that will tell you how much people are charging for such services on Fiverr. And I must tell you, my guy, you can do all of this stuff. You can do them right here from the comfort of your home. You can do all of these things. Say, I will do social media marketing. Let me show you. I will do social media marketing manager and capture digital content for $120. Now look at this one. I will write a persuasive marketing email campaign or sales copy for $100. These are things you can do. Trust me, you can do them. Now look at this one. I will do digital marketing strategy consulting for $300. You can do all of these things, and these services are high demand skills on Fiverr. So you have learned the 5 best offer or 5 gigs that you can basically offer on Fiverr and make at least $20 to $200 for each of the services. And if you can get 3 or 4 clients in a day, you'll be running into making $1,000 from Fiverr. So if you enjoyed this video and you have not liked this video so far, don't forget to like the video. And if you have not subscribed to Online Hustle YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel, because this will encourage us to produce more or to record more videos like this for you. And if you are facing any challenge and you are you have a full-time Fiverr freelancer, don't forget to also leave us comment at the comment section. Share your experience with us, how you have been succeeding on Fiverr, and we'll be happy to hear or to read your experience. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this. So guys, we'll see you on our next video.